With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked that the drones in honeybee produce male gametes by. So simply we talk about what the drones are. So drones are basically the male honeybee, right? They are the male honeybees, right? Which are the product of an unfertilized egg. So the drones are the male honeybees that are the product of an unfertilized egg. So drones, they do not have the stingers and they do not participate in nectar and pollen gathering. So a primary role of the drone is to mate with a fertile queen. Now we talk about the gametes that are produced by the drones. So the drones and honeybee, they produce the gamete by a process called mitosis, which is also known as the equational division, right? Which is also known as the equational division. So the reason being that they produce gametes by mitosis, because the male honeybee or the drones are basically haploid, right? They are basically haploid, and they produce the sperms by mitosis. So if we look at the option here, so the option 1 is meiosis, which is the reductional division, right? And it does not occur in case of the male drone. So this option is wrong. So as we've discussed, the drones and honeybee, they produce gametes by mitosis. Hence option 2 is our correct answer. Then cleavage is basically a process wherein cell undergoes the process of division and increases in number, right? So this even doesn't occur. And amitosis is that basically mitosis do not occur, right? So this is also wrong. So we can say that it is the option 2 which is our correct answer here, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.